Chapter 11 Ravana. The news of Prince Rama's single-handed victory over a 14,000-strong Rakshasa army spread like wildfire, quickly reaching the ear of the demon king of Lanka. Ravana was the eldest son of the Brahmin sage Vishrava and the Rakshasa princess Kaikasi. Sage Vishrava was famous for his mastery of tapas, an austere self-discipline practice through meditation. With his first wife, Ilavida, Vishrava sired a son who eventually came to be known as Kubera, the Lord of Wealth and ruler of Lanka. Seeing this, the Rakshasa Somali urged his daughter Kaikasi to seek Vishrava as her husband, promising her that their children would rival Kubera. Kaikasi found Vishrava and informed him of her father's wish for her to wed him. Vishrava agreed to the beautiful maiden's request, but he warned her that due to her Rakshasic nature, their first 3 children would be demonic. Only the last child would inherit his sagely disposition. Kaikasi's first child was Vishravana, who would later come to be known as Ravana. Her second son was Kumbhakana, her third the demoness Suparnika, and the last child a son named Vibhishana. As Vishrava predicted, the fourth child, Vibhishana, was Brahmanic in nature. Ravana, the eldest child, was ambitious and quickly gained strength and power. He was taught the scriptures by his father and was extremely knowledgeable in the Vedas and Puranas. Ravana even impressed Lord Shiva with his dedication and received an invincible sword as a gift. He performed an exceptionally severe penance to gain a boon from Lord Brahma. The gods could grant any wish short of immortality. Ravana instead asked for invincibility in battle against gods, demons, heavenly spirits, serpents, and wild beasts. Ravana's list went on, but curiously he failed to mention humans, thinking the species insignificant. Over time, Ravana waged many battles and conquered many lands, even forcing his half-brother Kubera to cede the kingship of Lanka to him. But Ravana's ambitions knew no boundaries. He was consumed by lust, greed, and wrath, eventually threatening the domain of the gods themselves and defeating Lord Indra himself in battle. The gods approached Lord Vishnu for assistance. Ravana's boon made him near undefeatable, but Lord Vishnu proposed a plan. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.